Hi guys! This is my Erelah.
And this is my Mira with the long nose.
Yeah, but parang namamagayilong ko. Sabi ko sa camera. Yeah, I
Is my
have a surprise question for Erelah, and let's
wanna-
see how smart she is.
I'm scared.
What's your what
No.
what weather would you choose? Is it sunny
Ooh.
or rainy? And why?
Sunny.
You want a sunny weather. Why?
So I can swim.
Wow, yeah, that's good.
That's relaxing.
You want to swim, or what else aside from swimming? Erelah, you sit down.
I can do my nail polish instead. There's no school in summer.
So in summer, you want to have a nail polish. Kasi she told me she wants a nail polish. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, bawal yun sa school, especially sa kids like her. Kaya, Erelah, you sit down. Kaya, sabi niya, sa summer, magne-nail polish siya. Kaya gusto niya ng sunny.
And did you know in Erica salon, there's nail polish for kids. It's removable. And he did TikToks.
Lahat naman ng nail polish, it can be removed. Yeah, I can remove it. It's all removable, right?
Wouldn't it?
See? So, yun ang gusto ni Erelah, a sunny weather. Thank you for watching our video. Please follow us also in TikTok and YouTube, Mima and Erelah Diary. Thank you for watching. God bless. Say God bless, baby ko.
Bye-bye.